To know more on HIV or AIDS, call toll-free number 1097. Know your status. Be educated about AIDS. Issued in public interest by the Meghalaya AIDS Control Society.
Ubamet baling do lampang yang dorbar tawan ke Jylla Meghalaya ulai itu bahag jinglet ke bedangsian ke jong pon nang ba Delhi ulayo banyakendu you speaker jong Lok Sabha Birla ban kendu lemi banyelekat bala banyarap ya ke Jylla benagam ta banyo pantai pendep no ya ke yang dorbar ke Thymmai. Abai keren pekilat pathai Khubor mentah kesngi ubamet ba ulai itu baga pisah ke bala temu ban pelut nagam ta ke jingte ya ke yang dorbar ke Thymmai ke long ars pa Klur Tyngka pat hagani ke Jingïarap ke badangsian ubamet ba ya mentau long balapan ya ke Jingïarap pisah ke balong swa marsteng kata kombasis pa Klur Tyngka. Ubamet ba ulai itu bahadin beladep penyekendu you speaker ke Lok Sabha layo ru ya kelat penyekendu ya ke menteri badai kimi ya ke Tyngka keri ka Nirmala Sitharaman ha ke ba la ya keren ru pat ka pakanyarap lem ya ke Jylla da ke bakan ba pisah kerpang nagam ta ke jingte ya ke yang assembly ke Thymmai jong ke Jylla.
No, we met the Honorable Speaker of the Lok Sabha, where we have discussed. This is the second meeting that I happen to be in Delhi to meet him, and in fact, I had asked him for some sort of help in soliciting the funding of the new assembly building. We understand that the state government cannot go up the door. They have assured that they will try to see that whatever funding for the building will be taken care of. But after I have spoken with the Honorable Chief Minister, he has addressed that due to some constraint because of this pandemic and other issues. So therefore, I requested the Honorable Chief Minister, after my first meeting with the Honorable Speaker of Lok Sabha, to meet him and to apprise him more about the need of how exactly the funding from the central government. So in fact, the total budget for the estimates for the new assembly building is about 200 crores approximately, and we had seek for about 100 crores, and the same has been made aware with the 15 Finance Commission. So the 15 Finance Commission has recommended around 100 crores for the new assembly building. And after we have met the Honorable Speaker, we got the chance to meet the Honorable Finance Minister also during my last visit with the Honorable Chief Minister, and we have requested her that to kindly consider and approve all the recommendations made by the 15 Finance Commission, especially from my side, other than what the Chief Minister, like the government, proposals which has been recommended by the 15 Finance Commission, in particular, that she will look into and see that how they can accommodate that recommendation. The progress of work is very much as per the bar chart that we have made, and in fact tomorrow we are planning to have the another round of visit for inspection for the progress of work. But the consultant who is supposed to come from Delhi, we are a little bit doubtful whether he will be able to make it. If they cannot make it, I think we have to postpone the same till day after tomorrow, 17th of this month itself, to have another round of the visit. The progress is very good, and more or less the civil work is more or less completed. The portion of the dome part is in progress, and we hope that that also will be completed very soon, latest by end of this month.